4 years ago, she followed anything that felt like a story. Now she listens first because not every path leads forward. Some lead somewhere else. The sound of the waterfall reached her before the path did. It rolled through the forest like a steady breath, deep and endless. Lora didn't slow down. Most would have. The trail had already disappeared behind her, swallowed by roots and silence. And then she saw it. The waterfall towered before her, pouring down in a silver rush of light and color. For a moment, she stood still. She stepped closer. The rocks were slick, the air cool with mist. The roar surrounded her, but she kept going. Her eyes searched through the falling water, not at it, but beyond it.
Looks like it's hiding something.
She took one more step and walked straight into the falling water. The world vanished into rushing sound and cold weight. Then stillness. The noise softened into a distant echo. Lora opened her eyes. The cave stretched around her, cool and untouched. Carvings covered the walls, flowing like forgotten paths. Her gaze followed the patterns until it stopped. A single symbol, a circle, with a spiral at its center. Without thinking, she reached out. Her hand pressed against the spiral. For a moment, nothing. Then, warmth. The stone pulsed, like a heartbeat. A low shift echoed through the cave. Lora stepped back, her eyes wide with understanding. A hidden passage revealed itself, opening slowly within the wall. A faint breath of cool air drifted from within. Beneath the spiral, a new mark, an arrow, not ancient, not forgotten, left for someone to follow. She paused at the threshold. Behind her, the known. Ahead, something waiting. She stepped forward, not following the story anymore, but beginning to shape it.